Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life of this device. So firstly, you need to open the control panel, then disable all unnecessary features. So if you are not using mobile data right now, disable it. If you are not using Wi-Fi, disable Wi-Fi and use only mobile data. The same situation with the Bluetooth, USB share, NFC and location services. So if you are not using maps right now, just close the location services and NFC if you don't want to pay now. Disable hotspot and great. Nextly, open settings application, and as you can see here, we have battery. So open battery and find here battery saver mode and choose use battery saver. In your device you have OLED screen, so OLED screen created from thousands of micro lamps, and it means that in the dark places your lamps just disabled and not consuming the battery power, so it's a good idea to use dark mode on your device to improve battery life. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.